How to merge two Instagram accounts into one. So if you want to merge two Instagram accounts into one, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From the profile, go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. And here you need to tap on Account Center. Under Account Center, you need to tap on Profiles. And here, as you can see, that I have an Instagram account. But if you want to merge two Instagram accounts, then you can tap on Add Account. Once you click on Add Account, it will take you to the Instagram login page, and you need to add your next or the other Instagram account that you would like to merge. So you need to enter the mobile number, username, or the email address of that other account, and then enter the password, and after that go with login. And once you've logged into your other account, then those two accounts, the account that you're using right now and the account that you're logging in, will get merged. That's how you can merge two Instagram accounts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.